Looking here on the radar is actually rotating thunderstorms off the coast of North Carolina. You can see they're very intense. There are definitely waterspouts from this, no doubt. There has to be waterspouts. These are supercells off the coast right now. Tornadic storms right off the coast. Looks like these are going to come in onshore in a couple hours. So these might produce some tornadoes across eastern North Carolina. So yeah, these, let me check the actual radar motions. Looks like these might skirt the Outer Banks, and if they keep their strength, you might get a tornado on the eastern North Carolina. Another supercell right here, definitely has some rotation. Let me look at okay, yeah, has some broad rotation on it too. So nearly all the storms off the coast are rotating. You got a bunch of supercells right now. Most of them are off the coast, strangely. There's these will definitely be tornado warning. There's a tornado watch in effect from North Carolina right now. There's a tornado warning right here for another rotating thunderstorm. It's broad rotation at the moment, just past LaGrange. Got oh, we got pretty strong rotation near LaGrange. Let me check the Morehead City radar. The LaGrange storm is right here. This is the LaGrange storm, just past LaGrange. You can almost make out a hook right here. You can almost make out a hook right over here. So we got tornadoes in North Carolina, possible tornadoes. There's some broad rotation right now. Just to the south of Snow Hill. And another one to the west. This is very broad, but this is a little more, I would say, robust circulation. But it's not as good as it was earlier. But it's still rotating, so it could still produce a tornado. This is the highest chance of it was in this area. So when these come on shore, when these cells come on shore in eastern North Carolina, especially out on the Outer Banks, you might get a few tornadoes, few spin-ups from these cells. And they're already producing waterspouts, no doubt. They're already producing spouts out there. They're producing, I would say, wedge waterspouts, because I can tell these rotations are very intense. Being this far out and you're already seeing the couplets, couplet here, couplet over here, couplet trying to form in the middle here. I mean, this is pretty intense what's going on. I'll tell you how many couplets I find. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 couplets all within a small little radar range. That's very intense. And this is zoomed in actually to within about 20 miles. This is a 20-mile range. 1, 2, 3 couplets. Probably producing waterspout. Maybe some wall cloud. Maybe a waterspout. But yeah, these are definitely rotating. All these storms are rotating. They're all rotating here. These are very small cells, actually. They're tiny. They're tiny little cells.